Hi, welcome to Alliance Communications. Did you just get a new email account and now you need to set it up on your phone? Or maybe you just upgraded your phone or device and now you need your email added again. This tutorial is going to help guide you step by step. Before you start, there are a few things that you will need to know. You'll want to have access to your Alliance email address and password. If you don't know either of those, please call us during business hours and we can provide that to you. Every phone and software version might look a little bit different, however, each step is going to look very similar. Today we're going to go through the steps to add an existing email address to your phone. From your home menu, you will click on Settings. You will scroll down to Passwords and Accounts. Pressing on that will bring you to the screen where you can add a new email account to your phone or make changes to an existing email account. Today we are going to add account. Next, you will choose Other, and then at the top of the list on the next screen, you will choose Add Mail Account. Next, you will type in your name, email address, and password. The description field will automatically pre-fill as you start typing. You do not need to make any changes to the description. Be aware of what you are typing. Any errors will prevent you from continuing. If you notice an error, just update it before you continue. Once you enter the information, you will press Next in the upper right corner of your screen. This will verify your email information that was just entered and bring you to the new account screen. On the new account screen, you will choose POP as the account type. Your name, email, and description will populate from the previous screen. Next, under Incoming Mail Server, you will enter in information for hostname and username. The hostname will be pop.alliancecom.net. The username will be just the first part of your email address. You do not need to include the @alliancecom.net. The password should already populate based on what you entered on the previous screen. You will see dots as it is masked for security. Next, under Outgoing Mail Server, you will enter in hostname, username, and password. It's important to realize that the username and password fields will display as optional. However, with Alliance security settings, these fields are required. The outgoing hostname will be smtp.alliancecom.net. The username will once again be the first part of your email address. Last, you will enter in your email password. Make sure, again, all information is displaying correctly. If not, update it before you continue. Then you'll press Save in the upper right corner. This will once again verify all information that you just entered. Once the information has been verified, you will now be looking at the password and account screen that we saw towards the beginning. You will choose the email account that you just set up, scroll down, and under Outgoing Mail Server, you will select SMTP. You will see your SMTP information listed either under the primary server or under the other SMTP servers. Either is okay. You'll select your SMTP server to verify the server outgoing information. At the top, the server should be turned on, displaying green. If not, slide the circle to turn the server on. Next, you'll verify the host name displays as smtp.alliancecom.net. You'll also verify the username, and the password will display as dots once again for security. Use SSL should be turned on or displaying green. Authentication should be selected as password, and the server port should be 465. If any of the information does not match, update it, then press Done in the upper right-hand corner. This will again verify the information and then bring you back to that password and account screen that we saw towards the beginning. Be patient, as this may show verifying for several minutes. Once the information is verified and you are back on the password and account screen, you can press your home button or swipe up from the bottom depending on your device type to bring you back to your home screen. You will then open up your Mail app, and once the Mail app is open, you will see your incoming emails loading into your inbox. It's a good idea to send a test email to make sure it's working. It's a lot of steps, but you should be able to enjoy sending and receiving emails once you add your account. If you have any troubles or questions, call us and we will be happy to help you out. Thanks for spending time with us today.